Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to upload longer videos to your Instagram story, even if they are more than 15 seconds long. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. Okay, so once you are on Instagram, swipe right to go to the story section. And now select the video which is more than 15 seconds. The video which I have selected is 55 seconds long, which is more than 15 seconds. And don't worry, Instagram will not split your video into multiple parts. And that's it. That's how you can easily upload longer videos to your Instagram story in just a few steps. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.